Intelligent manufacturing in China is providing new answers for human civilization. Looking back, the report on the work of the government 2024 said that China will make traditional industries higher end, smarter, and more eco-friendly. Guided by this strategy, the development of intelligent manufacturing in China is accelerating comprehensively. Are you impressed by the dancing humanoid robot at this year's Spring Festival? They were developed by Unitree Robotics, a tech firm in East China's Hangzhou, Zhejiang province. The latest upgraded G1 humanoid robots from the firm amazed the audience upon its recent debut. Behind this is the breakthrough of Chinese companies in core technologies and innovation of algorithms. At present, China has become the world's leading producer of humanoid robots. Data shows that in 2024, the market size for humanoid robots in China reached approximately 2.76 billion yuan and is expected to grow into a market worth 100 billion yuan by 2030. Another breakthrough came from China's self-developed large model, DeepSeek. On the global stage of artificial intelligence, the rise of DeepSeek is like a dazzling new star, attracting much attention from tech giants and experts from the US, Japan, and Europe.
There's this great Chinese model that just came out, this company DeepSeek. They're doing really good work. It's a very advanced model. I think it's a very close competition and we need the help.
With its trillion-parameter breakthrough, it has overcome technological barriers and sparked an efficiency revolution in healthcare, education, and culture. As China continues to invest in artificial intelligence, it has become one of the core driving forces of the country's high-quality development strategy. While Western companies' large models are constrained by computing power competition, China's self-developed DeepSeek has chosen a unique Oriental way. It analyzes the Huangdi Neijing to propose solutions combining traditional Chinese and Western medicine, understands 56 Chinese dialects to safeguard cultural roots, and even identifies pest damage in Xinjiang cotton fields with millimeter-level precision. The Chinese chip proves that true intelligence stems from a deep understanding of civilization. China also demonstrates its technological strength in the field of drones. From DJI in Shenzhen to XEG in Guangzhou, Chinese drones now occupy 70% of the global market. They are not only flying cameras, but also versatile assistants in agriculture, logistics transportation, and outdoor rescue, showcasing the qualitative transformation from made in China to intelligent manufacturing in China. China has been the world's largest exporter of civilian drones for many years. With over 70% of global patent applications in the drone field, China is also the world's largest technology source country. While the West is still discussing drone threats, China has woven a warm technological network with drones. The two sessions have built consensus, and technology illuminates the path forward. As humanoid robots, AI large models, and drones weave the fabric of high-quality development, intelligent manufacturing in China is providing new answers for human civilization.